Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to start a new budget in YNAB application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. To start a new budget in YNAB, open the YNAB application and log into your account. Or you can also access your YNAB account on a website. After you're inside the main homepage, tap on the three dots at the top left corner. Now click on Open Budget. From the budget list, tap on New at the top right corner. Now, under Budget Details, enter a name for your new budget. After you are done, adjust the settings like currency, date format, etc. if needed. After you are done, click Create at the top right corner and you will be able to create a new budget in YNAB. YNAB will provide some default categories, but you can personalize them based on your spending habits. Under Set Targets, tap on the plus button right next to each category. After you are done, enter the category's name. You can also rename your existing categories shown on the screen. Set up financial goals for saving or debt payoff according to your preference. With your categories and accounts set up, you can begin assigning available funds to your categories based on your income and financial priorities. After setting up targets, tap on Next at the top right corner and you will be able to create or start a new budget on YNAB. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.